Hello, welcome to GeneTech. In this video, we are going to fix this common problem: no internet connection. You have fixed all your USB cable, use your wireless, but it's still displaying no internet connection. So let us troubleshoot and fix this problem. Let's go. We'll click on the internet bar. You see, no internet. We'll go to status. As you can see, no internet connection. You come down to network reset. You click on network reset. This is the first step. If you reset this network, it will correct your internet issue. But if it doesn't correct that, then go to troubleshoot. So we need to troubleshoot and then see the exact problem why you are not connected to internet. So go to troubleshoot. It's still detecting problems. Let's wait. Okay. Yes, I open. You click on all network adapters. Looking for problem in name resolution. So let's wait for the troubleshoot to be completed. Okay, collecting results. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Okay, you see, security or firewall setting might be blocking your connection. So these are usually the problem of no internet access. Firewalls, setting is blocking the connection. So you click on view detailed information. Let us find out what is the problem. Okay. So when you come down to view detailed information, you click on detection details. So this detection detail will now tell us the exact problem. You see, details about network diagnosis, security diagnosis. You see where they wrote filter name. This is the exact problem. This is what we display where you have issue. The application or the firewall that is blocking your internet connection. You see, they wrote WinScribe firewall. So this WinScribe firewall happens to be a private VPN that is on my system. The firewall is on, but I'm not using the VPN now. So this is what is blocking the internet connection. So you might have a VPN on your own system that might be blocking your internet connection, not the default VPN on your system, or maybe another one, maybe you downloaded, that might be blocking that. So if you don't have any VPN, the first option of resetting your network should be able to fix this. But if you have VPN, that VPN might be blocking your internet connection. So we need to fix it. So we'll close the troubleshoot. We'll go to our bar. We'll search for the WinScribe. Open the WinScribe app and see. Okay, you see the firewalls. See the firewalls. Yes, it's blocking this thing from connecting to internet. So we need to uncheck it. When we uncheck it now, it will connect to internet. Most of the time we're having fluctuation on your internet. Once you connect, within a few minutes it will disconnect. So this is the problem. So once you disconnect it now from the firewalls, your internet will be okay. You connect to internet without no more fluctuating. Or if you must enable the firewalls on your private VPN, then you must what? On it. You must put it on, so that if you put it on, then the internet will still work. But if you are not using the VPN, then you must disconnect the firewalls on your VPN. That is what will be blocking your internet. So I believe that this will help you. This will help you to fix your own problem. So if you like this video, please give a thumb up, then subscribe to our channel. You can share to others, and then see you again in the next video. Bye.